Hi guys, thank you for joining me on Paris Grace. What I have for you today is this DIY inspired by Virgil Abloh's soft trunk wallet, which is part of the 2020 fall collection. Still available on LouisVuitton.com and can be yours for about $2,600. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. For this project, I'll be using the leather from this jacket. It's not quite the same type, but it's a nice color and it has nice texture. I have also taken my measurements and created the pattern on the clear chopping board. I have also begun to cut out the strips of canvas that I'll be using. So here's my form already cut and scored. So in this stage I've cut the leather corners, and this is the template. I will punch some holes and I will begin the stitching. These are the corners already with the false stitching. I will begin to apply them to the bag. This is the hardware that I will be using, and these two sets, the brackets and the D-rings, will have to be painted black. So this is the current stage that I'm in with the soft trunk wallet. I've added all the corners and I've added the hardware on the side. So here you have the end result. I hope you've enjoyed this DIY as much as I have. Please don't forget to like this video and leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.